Market peaked at the start of September, and for the whole month, money has been flowing out of the stock market. And now the market is actually reaching a support zone. Which sector will money flow to first? Hi friends, in this video, let's talk about my predictions on the potential hot sectors and the corresponding top swing trade stocks that I will be keeping an eye on for this coming week. My thesis on those as well as my trade execution tips. I know that some of you have noticed that I missed my last week's upload. I apologize because last week I was really swamped with work and I was brainstorming some content creation ideas for this channel. Hence, I decided to do a newsletter post instead, which I notified in my community tab. Subscribe to my newsletter where I will email you my picks of the week if I'm not able to get a video out in time. Thank you very much. So what kind of swing trade stocks are we talking about this week? First, looking at the market caps, I would prefer to trade the smaller caps as well as the mid caps for this coming week. Stocks below $10 billion in market cap. And that is because the S&P 500 is looking a teeny bit undecisive right now. I will need the S&P 500 to stabilize and hold above that support line, as well as show very strong buying pressure before I commit to trading or even investing in any big cap companies. Second, looking at sector-wise, I do believe that consumer cyclicals do stage a strong comeback after its pullback from last week. All the other sectors that I've analyzed seem to have a little bit more indecisiveness and will need more confirmation, which is not as suitable for this immediate week. First, I want you to keep an eye on the gambling industry, gambling stocks like IGT, SGMS, and those will be very good picks for a trend following plays that require momentum where you buy and sell higher. Clothing stores, GIL seems pretty ripe for the picking as well for quick gains swing to $40 from around $37, as well as setting a tight stop loss 1 ATR below support. Furnishing industry, a very unique industry, but it is looking pretty exceptional as well after that massive pullback. Companies like TPX as well as LOVE looks like really strong candidates in this sector. Both have really solid fundamentals and strong buying interest topping its own sector. Hence, I do feel that these two have the highest possibility of trade success in its own sector. In conclusion, I'm looking at the furnishing industry as well as the clothing sector for potential dip buying opportunities. Gambling sector, I'm looking at it for potential momentum play where we buy high and sell even higher, and that kind of place we often want to play a trailing stop loss. I will not go into the detailed technical analysis because I do not want to drag out this video, but if you wish for me to break down this video and the price action for specific companies that you are a bit unclear of, you can request it in the comment sections below. I look forward to having a conversation with you. And I'll see what I can do. Otherwise, you can always refer to my old technical analysis video, which is around 20 minutes long. You can just look at specific segments. There, I break down everything cleanly for you to understand and for your own education. All for free, alright, just for you. And I know this is a pretty low period for stocks, but I do beseech you to keep yourself on your toes, alright? Monitor the markets here and there, because when the market's at a volatile state, but in a range, alright, it's not really having any clear direction, it is gathering strength for a big move. And you will always want to be very prepared when this move comes. So for this week, take shorter trades, hold stocks for a shorter period, and alright, for me personally, I'm going to hold around 1 to 3 days and taking profits when volatility goes my way. And as always, trade with risk management everyone, and I wish you all the best and stock stay up.